Hello and welcome to MyChessPal, a buddy and guide in your chess journey. MyChessPal uses proven techniques and tools to help you improve in chess openings, middle games, and endgames. After login, play with computer screen is shown. However, you can go to any other sections like openings, tactics, endgames, insight, etc. Here, in the play section, you can play with the computer or online with other players. You can review and analyze your game later via My Games and Review Games. Opening Master is a great tool for preparation and hands-on practice on various openings. If you are a beginner, we recommend you to revise the opening principle first. In addition to the standard opening repertoire, you can create your own in the My Opening Repertoire screen. You can practice both the standard and custom opening repertoires in the Opening Master. In Opening Master, you can also watch opening videos to know main ideas, plans of the openings. Opening Master will help you play openings like a master and get opening advantage against almost all the opponents. To convert opening advantages into win, you need tactical and endgame skills. We have prepared tools covering all the tactical endgame patterns which greatly improve your tactical and endgame skills. In the Tactics section, Tactic Master help you practice all the tactical patterns at your pace. Tactics Racer help you assess your tactical skill in a time-bound way. It help you play the middle game like a magician. In the Endgame section, you can practice endgame pattern. Endgame skills are critical to finish the game in your favor. Endgame Master help you practice all the endgame patterns at your pace. Endgame Racer help you assess your endgame skill in a time-bound way. It helps you play the endgame like a machine. The Insight section provides graphical analytics based on your performance in your game, openings, tactics, and endgame. It highlights your strength which you can capitalize and areas of improvement. The leaderboard shows the top performers daily, weekly, monthly, etc. You can view your profile and setting via the user icon in the top right corner. For further queries or help, you can click on Help icon. We would love to see your feedback and suggestions. Currently, the interface, that is UI, works based on desktop, laptop, and tab, although our mobile app UI is coming soon. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a one step. Thank you for making us your path in a wonderful chess journey. We promise that we will spare no effort to help you achieve great milestones. Hope you are excited. Bon voyage!